start turning our backs towards
I'm relieved that it's over, at least. It's a rough year. I could have got better results, and definitely now I should have looked into the point system with doing the higher and ordinary, because there is a huge gap in the points between higher and ordinary, so that's something that I should have checked beforehand.
I feel I did the best I could, and I did actually really well, better than I expected.
And do you kind of feel relieved now after all the hard work?
Very relieved. It's like burden taken off my shoulders.
Well, hopefully I'm gonna go with the points that I have and head towards DIT, try to get into a level 7 degree there for engineering, and see how that goes. If not, then I might actually end up trying it again, doing a repeat, and just go for what I want.
Hopefully I get into the college I want to, if not probably second choice. Just good, as long as I get into college anyway.
And where are you hoping to go to?
I hope we're going to go to DCU, UCD or DIT.
Good news, thank you very much. Even to do this. Yeah, no. Stressed. Now the moment too.
Are you opening them or are you?
I'm waiting to get home.
Oh really?
Yeah, right. But look, the best result is that you've actually completed the journey through post-primary school. You'll never have to do this. And you've got plenty of options already. And the leaving cert isn't the only door into further education you will in the world of education. So well done.
Thank you.